Hey guys, it's Life of Q&A here, back with another video. Like, comment, subscribe. More videos are on their way, and merch is on the way. I'm just working on it. So LOCR, bam. Anyways, so today's mukbang is Cajun chicken boil. So I have some nice kabasi. I've got some yummy chicken. And I have some nice potatoes and Cajun seasoning. Missing something. Hold on. Back again. Sorry. I have my microphone on. Making it work here. I hope you can hear me. Alright, it's back to our eating. Hopefully it doesn't work. I'm going to work on it because it's a little light. That means it's working. So, I'm going to try a potato. Kabasi. This is like a seafood boil, but because I can't have seafood. It's like a seafood boil, but it's tasty. So, I know you've been watching what's going on in the news. Or Diddy, allegedly, there's things going on. His house got raided. I don't know how anybody feels. If you know how you feel about what's going on with him, comment below your feelings. I already said that my piece on my live. You have to watch my last live, and you'll find out everything I felt. I feel like this world is just it's all over the place. Okay, people don't really want to put out music. Lizzo decided to quit music, which I'm very sad about because I love her music. The funny thing is, I don't know why she would leave. I get all the backlash of what's going on in the courts, but she's got to make the best. I mean, a lot of people have gone through it too, and by you leaving, it's not gonna make people want to come back. You know, they feel like you should just stay. Don't let them win. Let's see. You hear it? I have to burp. Excuse me. I feel like Lizzo should have stayed doing music. I know it can be stressful, but the music that she puts out is really good. I actually feel like I have somebody like her, like that makes music and looks like, looks like me. or it looks like, you know what I mean, little girls can look up to, would be nice. Have people, I'm not saying that she needs to be a role model. I'm just saying that people always like bashed her for so long, and I just feel like, why bash her? There's people that have done way worse, and they're skinny, you know. And some so good. This is not just like beef kibasi. This is turkey. I burp. Hold on. Ooh, that was a big one. That's what I'm feeling right now. Mm, my last bite. Mm. Oh, I wanted to do a grilled cheese, but I didn't have any bread. I got grilled cheese and some tomato soup. The weather up here is raining a lot. It was really good. It's all done. Like, comment, subscribe. If there's any topics you want me to talk about while I do my mukbangs, you comment below. And this is Life of Q&A, and I'm out. Bye!